Good morning. I am here at the hotel in Hollywood, Florida, and it's absolutely freaking gorgeous. Woke up a little bit later today. It's around noon. I got a spark of creative energy last night, which makes sense, right? Because I discovered that like my human design sort of system is operating as a manifesting generator. And so that means that I like to do a lot of different things, right? I don't like to focus on one thing. Just get really anxious and excited about a lot of different things. And so I can have these sparks where I'll just go, and create and create and create and have all these ideas sort of flushed out. The downside of that, not always able to be as intricate with the details and can easily feel overwhelmed. So it's become very important to really pace myself and be consistent and be consistent with not only the projects that I'm most interested in continuing, but also in my self-care routine, so that I am at just like my most optimal self, to continue to put love into everything. So I got some bomb ass rest too, because this bed is comfortable. I have this beautiful view out here. I'll show it to you a little bit later. Just to see the greenery, the openness is a blessing. I have my morning routine, meditation, prayer, just being quiet, being still, being in a state of gratitude. So I've got all my crystals here. I can't light my Palo Santo, but I can smell it. And that is enough for me for now. So some of the crystals I have on here with this beautiful cloth is clear quartz. Come here. My selenite. I love selenite. Selenite is really great for abundance, success, prosperity. Amethyst. Amethyst is a very popular crystal. To me, amethyst is sort of connected to the third eye chakra, to the heart chakra. So it helps with wisdom and compassion and overall abundance. Yeah, I really love this one. It's the smoky quartz, and it really looks like a rock, like a big, stable, sturdy rock. And smoky quartz is for grounding. It's connected to the root chakra. That has to do with stability, safety, security, your core belief systems and values, your sense of worth. I won't go through all of them, but the last one that is one of my absolute favorites, but it's the newest to my collection, is the tiger's eye crystal. Can you see it? Can you see it? Don't mind my nails. I gotta do them again. One of the ultimate protection crystals, protection stones. It helps with ridding you of any negative energies or thoughts. It helps to strengthen your communication skills. It's a great crystal for activating success in your business and your career. and just overall building your confidence. And then this big old selenite that I got from one of my spiritual mentors, Drea. Shout out to Conscious Mother. I love selenite. It's also really great for enhancing the energies of any other crystal that it's near. So if you're charging your crystals like in the sun, then you want to place a nice selenite next to it so that it just really, enhances their energy. My journal with me today, been doing some journaling, and I also process through the cards. I've got water cards today, a Rider-Waite deck. Yes, I hope this video gives you some soothing sounds to just take my time and share something intimate. Because I just feel like a lot of videos really rush through everything. And I get it, we have such a short attention span and we want things to be just zoop in a vacuum. That's fine too. But when it comes to, for me at least, when it comes to matters of spirit, emotion, processing, personal development, I'm striving to slow down. I don't want a microwave experience. You want to be in a state of awareness. So I hope this is soothing. I hope this is something that maybe you can listen to it or watch it as you're winding down or as you're just waking up. Okay, so I'm just going to go through what I do, my energy of the day. What would you have me gain deeper clarity, wisdom, and insight in for my journey? Development for my highest good. Today is Thursday, August 6, 2020. What would you have me gain deeper insight, wisdom, and knowledge in as it pertains to my healing and development for my highest good and for those around me? I thank you for your guidance, for your continual love and guidance. Ooh. Please make it clear, Spirit. So I like to pull and ask for one card, and sometimes two cards, or a card that clarifies the one card. Okay, August 6, 2020. Just my energy. Ooh, here we go. The Magician. The Magician. Came out in reverse. The Magician in reverse. The Magician is one of the most powerful cards in this deck. The Magician is powerful. It comes right after the Zero card, the first card in the Major Arcana. The Zero is the Fool card. The 1 is the Magician. After the Fool steps out and goes on to a new journey, he becomes the Magician, the person who is able to manifest whatever he wants and realizes that he can. The Magician has everything he needs within reach. All the elements, right? And there's an infinity symbol above his head. But if you look at the table, he's got all the suits. Pentacle, the wand, the sword, and the cup. And then there's just complete abundance around him. So whatever your heart's desires are, you can manifest. When studying the cards, meditate on it first and see what meaning comes up for you, how you relate to the card, what in your life currently is happening that relates to this card. And sort of after you do your own interpretation, you want to write it down. I keep this little journal right here. I have a lot of journals, but this is the newest one, the next one that I'm using. And it's currently my scrapbook travel tarot journal. Because as some of you know, I've started my spiritual/digital nomad ventures, and this is one of the things that I've manifested. I haven't done it because I have allowed circumstances to make me feel stuck, and I had a lack mentality around what I could achieve, what I could have, what I could do, who I could be. And so I've had to do a lot of healing around stepping out of my comfort zone and trusting myself and redefining what home means to me. As I'm doing that and developing that, I've become less attached to people, places, and things and ideas that kept me bound. Trusting myself enough to create the life that I want and develop my online businesses and have new experiences. So this is how I relate to this card. I feel like I have been able to use all the tools granted to me to make this happen. What have you manifested in your life? How do you feel about the things that you've manifested? When the card is in its upright position, you have the opportunity to stay in this energy for the day. And when the card is in its reversal position, you have the opportunity to stay in this position, or you have the opportunity to shift the energy. I think that's really what affects these energies, is your awareness of them. If you're not aware of something, you can't make a conscious shift. But I would say that the reversal of the Magician would be, it could be anything from an abuse of power, an abuse of your manifestation power. It could be, negative intentions. It could also be not understanding your abilities to manifest the things that you want. We come into this world with it, and I think that as we go through life, we're stripped away from that awareness and from that consciousness. We're stripped away by family and media and schooling and a lot of entities that compromise and try to sabotage our sense of worth. And so a lot of us struggle with it later in life. We end up doing a lot of work to get back to our sort of child's-like self that wants to play and explore and create and essentially manifest. Manifesting is creating. It's using tools and elements and ideas and images. All of it is a form of reconnecting back to the things that are natural to us already. It just wasn't reinforced or edified within us at a young age, right? Maybe we didn't grow up in an environment that spoke that language and understood that. Maybe we grew up in an environment that was oppressive, and so we learned to oppress and suppress ourselves. And that takes, that's a journey. It's a journey to shift that. And you see things when you're ready to. Once you've eliminated enough blocks from your mentality, from your physical energy, then you've opened yourself up enough, you've released enough, and now you're open enough to receive the newness. Let me pull a crystal card first. This is from the water crystal deck. And we'll get an energy word for the day. I love these crystals. Put this back here. Let's pull these. Let's see. Eternity. I like this one. Eternity. Here's the crystal. Again, don't mind my nails. Don't act like I don't have nail polish that chips. Okay. This is a clarifier confirming the Magician card. To me, this is showing me that, or this power that we have to manifest is eternal. It's not just in this moment. It's not just when we're feeling at our best, when we're feeling happy or hopeful, down, shitty, depressed, angry. Which is why awareness is important, because you may not always manifest what you want. You may manifest some things that are not healthy, right? Either way, we're always manifesting something. We're always expending some sort of energy and receiving something in return based on what we put out, right? I hope that there was something in this video that resonated with you. And if it did, leave me a comment below. And if you like these calming morning videos, it's not the morning, it's actually noon. Let me know and I'll do more of them. If this is soothing, if this is helpful. And I am going to start to do energy of the day readings. If you would like a card pull for your energy of the day, let me know in the comments below, and I will leave information in the description box where you can email me and we can get that started. And you can be a part of helping me grow in this journey that I'm taking and fully working for myself. Yeah, I'm excited, and I'm excited for all the things that many of us have going on. So I'm sending you love, I'm sending you peace, I'm sending you strength in your journey. Stay present, stay aware, and empower yourself. Do the things that you need to do for you, and it's not as important to gain the recognition from everyone else, because everyone won't be there to witness your journey and your transformation. I'm going to do some journaling. I'm going to have my coffee. And I'm going to get started. I'm going to start my work day. I'm excited about, now we're getting to some announcements, but I'm excited about some new product, merch, and apparel that I have. I will leave the link below where you can go check that out. and look out for my Poetic Affirmations journal that is coming out on August 11th. So yeah, I'm excited, and have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Oh, and I did say that I would show you outside. Sorry, I'm not really showing you my face right now, but this is the view. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, the greenery. I grew up in Miami, y'all, but I've been in LA, living in LA for 11 years. You don't usually get to just look outside your window and see all of this greenery. And it is very refreshing.